Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:17 p.m., July 6, 2021, Tuesday. Remember, we skipped a day yesterday with the July 4th weekend, and yesterday was observed. So make sure you subscribe. If you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Long weekend. I think a lot of people were getting back into the game. This was expected. Kind of a flattish, downish day. Dow Industrials took a little more of a hit than anything else, but for the most part, NASDAQ was flattish, SPX was flattish, news was flattish, not much happening. Fortunately, I was able to catch a couple things early on, and I found something midday-ish, and then I called it a day pretty much. Long weekends are good, but you gotta have the expectations coming back that that day after the holiday is just not going to be what you anticipate. Always side of caution, lower your lot size, all that stuff. So fortunately, I did that and got green on the day with only a few different trades. Here they are, and I'll just go through them. So Microsoft was news. And it was kind of like a DoD contract situation where they're dropping Microsoft. And I jumped in, and I was up $30 and covered it, which was fine, right? But then the news started to rotate more, and I got back in it, and it gave a thirst and just moved up against me big time. So I lost all that, and I gave some back on it. So the first trade, the initial hit, I made money on it, and then I lost. So unfortunately, I was down $64 on that one. At the time, I was up on the day. Almost gave back, 50% of my gains, I guess. Eyes was a news event that just didn't go, so I got out with a small loss. Just got caught in the spread pretty much. Nothing really happened there. RKT was a quick news pop that, again, didn't really move much. BSQR, I did not take advantage of. I liked it in the pre-market. It was a break of the 6 here, and I only took it for a few cents, and unfortunately only got $6, but it did give a nice little trade there. Candy Eye was a news event. Not much to go over there. Just kind of went up. Xerox was a news event, and I got a quick buck on that. Amazon, I'll say for last. SQBG, definitely my waste of the day. It was like a back through a whole number of 18, I believe, or 17. Yeah, 18. I missed the 18 move, and I got in on the 19 move, but felt like I was chasing upside shape, but then it just launched, sold it all, took my 84 and like 300 shares, I think, like that, and then continued to halt up twice. And made a high of $28. So I was in at 19, sold it like 19.30, I guess, a little bit less than 19.30. And then seconds later, it shoots up to 28. Well, this is a course of 10, 15 minutes, but it was never against me, and I just happened to sell it all. Probably my biggest mistake of July, if not June and May. Just didn't let it hold on. I mean, it was just a sketchy kind of stock. It was 12 million traded. And unfortunately, I just missed huge money on that one. I was unfortunate. Amazon, I have this recorded news event. The news was actually a CNBC call, and we were there. I was ready to go, and in the video for July, we'll share that news trade. 25 shares on Amazon. I probably could have gotten maybe another buck. Another $25, probably $100 should have been where I was at, but I kind of was clean. It actually dropped below my entry a little bit after that, and then went up. If you look at Amazon today, the news event was kind of, I think it was around 1. Yeah, so here on this candle here, got in, and that's 2, so it was around 1. So I'm sorry, here. And then it pulled back. So it pulled back against me. I was already out. But then it continued to ramp up from this level, the 30s, all the way up to a high of 36.85. Amazon making all-time highs, just out of control right now. Jeff Bezos, I guess, resigned on the board, or CEO, I should say, not the board. and things are aiming towards a stock split, so people are ready to ramp into this thing and hopefully get a split on it. But who knows if that's going to happen or not. So 127 on the day after a long weekend holiday. Not fantastic, but I'll take it. I mean, other than this Microsoft, I should have been around 200, which would have been nicer. Looking to continue the roll and have a green week. Just being really patient. I think that's the hardest part. Yes, I'm kind of looking, my eyes are on a different screen, looking at some other stuff, other work, I should say. And my eyes are sometimes away from the market and I miss some of the other trades. But this also keeps me from, trying to force myself into some garbage stocks like, NEE or NEGG was insane. There was a couple insane calls on this today. In one of my rooms, that back at like 21, and I missed that one. Never looked back after that entry through 21 on this candle. It was just a sketchy trader. It just wasn't something I really wanted to be in. If I was going to be in it, I guess it's no risk it, no biscuit. But from 21 to 30 or so, it's another big miss. These are the ones that are tough to trade, but they're the ones that are going to pay the most. I'm not really a big time Microsoft, Facebook, Nvidia, Amazon trader where they have this, Apple's really insane today. Got up to like 143.15, closed 142. But we'll just leave it at that. That's enough. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. We have the markets moving up all-time highs in some areas, and we'll continue. We'll see what happens with the Dow Industrials tomorrow. And hopefully we'll get some more news events. Today was really slow. Have a good night.